guys, I'm Steph. Thank you so much for checking out my channel today. I am so excited to be doing my third round of this project. This is the hashtag Roulette Pan collab. This project started on September 23rd, but I didn't post a video then because I have been away traveling and I actually just got back yesterday and I was like, I gotta film this video. I want to make sure that my intro goes up as soon as possible so I can start doing my updates on the 23rd along with everyone else. If you're not familiar with this project, it is a huge collaboration started by Becca and Alexi here on YouTube, and it's just grown and grown, and I think this is the 6th round overall, and it's just so amazing to see. There's a whole playlist I'll be linking down below, as well as Becca and Alexi's channel and their intro videos for this round. How it works is there is a spreadsheet with 50 categories, and you randomly select 6 numbers. I'm going to be using the Pretty Random app on my phone, and we'll select them together, and from that you use the prompt to pick your item that you are going to project pan or whatever the goal is going to be. Since this is my third round, I'm going to try not to repeat any of the prompts I've already done, so we'll see what my numbers end up being. So I have the app open, I have the minimum 0, maximum 50, and our first number is 11, 9, 23, 3, 12, and 45. I'm going to see if I have any of those categories already done. So I actually have already done 3 of those categories, so I'm going to pick 3 new numbers. So we have 21. We already saw 9. We already saw 11. 6. 50. 21, 6, and 50. So I still have already done one of those, so I'm going to do it one more time. Hopefully this will be a new category. 39. That's also already been done. Now I see why everyone just like takes everything out. 27. And 27 is good. So I'm going to look through these prompts, go through my collection, pick my products, and then come back and let you know what the prompts were and what products I picked for them. I spent some time looking through my collection and I have picked my products. I feel like a lot of these products actually relate to the different prompts. So it was kind of hard to figure out which one goes with which, but these are the products I picked. I haven't yet marked these, but I will be marking them and taking photos so that when we have the updates, you can kind of see the progress that has been made. So my first prompt was a product in loose form, and for that I picked the Becca, what is this called? The Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It's just a little sample size, but I probably received this, I want to say like May, June, somewhat recently, but I've heard that the cooling properties of it kind of like really fade quick. I haven't opened it yet, but I want to try it and actually experience it while it still has that like Hydra feeling to it, or else kind of what's the point. So it's never been opened. There's, hopefully you can see, it's about like half full to begin with. Like I said, I will be marking it so we'll be able to see the progress. Next prompt was a product you don't like, and for that I picked the Body Shop Drops of Youth Liquid Peel. So I only have this much left, and I feel like saying I don't like the product is quite strong. I just don't love how the product comes off. So basically you put it onto your hands and then you kind of just like rub it onto dry skin, and it kind of pills up and balls up all this gunk, which is kind of great because you are getting off your skin. I love how it feels afterwards, but getting all the pilly stuff off your face is like such a total nightmare. And I used to use an exfoliating, like physical exfoliating scrub with it, but I no longer have that scrub. I don't really buy physical exfoliating scrubs because I don't think they're that good for your skin, so I don't really have a good way to kind of take this off. So then I find like all the little like pilly bits kind of just like are all in my peach fuzz, and I just got like little pills all over my face, and it is not a good look, and it is really annoying, and it makes me not reach for this product, but I only have like so little left and I really want to finish it. So yeah, I would say I do not like this product, but I like the effects of it. I just don't like how it works and like how I have to take it off. It's such a hassle. So that and all makes me not like this product. The next prompt was a sparkly product, and this was kind of tricky. I kind of went over a few different things, but I ended up picking the Touch and Soul Metallist Liquid Foil and Glitter Shadow Duo, and this is in the shade Talia. So this is kind of more of like a metallic cream shade, and then you have this sparkles that go on top, and they're basically like dry, glittery sparkles. So you put the base on, and then you put this on top to kind of like adhere it to your eye. And my goal is just to use this 5 times between each update. I don't think I'm going to finish this. Hopefully we'll be able to see some visible progress, but it's mostly I just want to actually use it. It's something that's been in my collection for a while. I have a different shade which I definitely got a lot more use out of, and then I ended up picking this one up after, and I really haven't reached for it much. I'm going to be starting work soon, so I feel like I'm not going to be doing such crazy eye looks, but I think using it 5 times, like I have the weekends, like evening if I'm playing around with makeup, if I feel like I can maybe find a way to wear it that isn't so, wow, this person is wearing intense glitter to work, that would be great. So I think using it 5 times between each update will give me a chance to really get a feel for the product, really use it, and that means it's a 4-month project, so I will have used it 20 times by the end of the project, which seems really reasonable to me given that it's something I really have not reached for more than a handful of times this whole year, like maybe 3 times. It might be a bit tricky to hit my goal this time just because I only have 2 weeks before the first update because I am starting my intro so late. So if I don't hit 5 the first time, I'm not going to beat myself up about it, but I will aim to wear this 5 times in the next 2 weeks. Next prompt was a product you're not sure if you like, and for that I picked the Benefit Cabrow. I tried to pan this like 2 years ago, and I mean I still have it, so you can kind of see how well that went. This is where we're starting off. I do have quite a dip going on right here. Before, when I first was working on it, I was trying to wear it down evenly, and then I was like, I need to know that I can hit the bottom. I never hit the bottom. I like kind of gave up on this. Pretty much haven't touched it this whole year. I ended up like randomly using it today for my brows, and I wonder if because I just recently used it, it's kind of like on my mind and making me think I should use it, and I'm slightly worried that this is a bad idea to put into a project because I'm not sure I'm ready to commit to it, but we're going to give it a go. Anyways, my goal for this is just going to be to hit pan. Like I said, I do have that dip going in that one section, so hopefully it is feasible. I would just, yeah, I'm not sure if I really like this product. I just don't think pomades are for me. I don't know, I just, like, I don't love it. I think maybe I just don't know how to do it. I feel like my brows look so blocky when I do it. Maybe my application is just not good. And it takes forever, which, like, you would think is a good thing. Like, oh, it takes you so long, you're getting your money's worth, but just, like, it takes too long that it just, like, deters me from using it and, like, ever purchasing another one ever again. Next prompt is a product that is hyped on YouTube. And I had a few things in my collection that I feel fall into that category, but I wasn't quite sure if I really was in the mindset, right time of year to pan any of them. So I ended up going with a Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. And I feel like the Shimmering Skin Perfectors are so hyped here on YouTube. Like, if it wasn't for YouTube, I wouldn't know about them. I feel like everyone talks about them. A lot of people, it's like holy grail. So it's definitely a product that is talked about a lot. And the shade I'm going to be working on is Rose Quartz. I don't feel like this shade necessarily is hyped, but just the Shimmering Skin Perfectors in general I feel like are a very hyped product here on YouTube. And I did have another Shimmering Skin Perfector in like one of my earlier rounds of the Roulette Pan Collab. I think it was Vanilla Quartz. So it's just a little mini one, and my goal is just to hit pan on it. And it does happen to be the highlighter I am wearing today. So it's kind of funny that some of these products were like the products I ended up wearing, and then I just decided to pick and pan them. And my last prompt was a sample / deluxe size item. And for that, I picked the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and this is in the shade Rose Gold. So this shade is definitely one that is too dark for me, so I end up kind of mixing it into my foundations to kind of give them a bit of a glowier look. And as we are heading into the fall winter, I feel like I'm going to be going for more of that look versus like in the summer. I like to have the glow, but I'm like naturally glowy from my oils. So I feel like I tend to kind of go towards matte foundations in the summer. And so in the winter, I feel like this will be really nice to kind of give my skin like a skin-like appearance when it's dry and colder out. So hopefully I can mix this in. I've done it a few times and I like how that looks, and it's just like a little mini, and I feel like, yeah, I feel like I can finish it. So that is my goal, is to finish this up. And there you have it. Don't forget, if you like this video, then make sure you subscribe so you can see my update going up October 23rd. And if you like this project, again, the playlist is linked down below so you can check out everyone who has already posted. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye!